Relaxing in a public garden. Hello, welcome to Green Park today.
Hello. It looks very peaceful here.
Yes, many people enjoy this garden.
Is there a map nearby?
Yes, one is beside the entrance.
Thank you. I always get lost.
That happens. The signs are easy.
Where can I sit quietly?
Try the benches near the lake.
Are they busy now?
Not really. Mornings are usually calm.
That sounds nice. I like quiet places.
You may enjoy the flower garden too.
Can I take pictures there?
Yes, pictures are welcome everywhere.
Great. I love beautiful flowers.
There is also a small cafe.
Do they sell tea?
Yes, tea and coffee are available.
Good. I need hot tea.
The cafe opens at 9.
What time does it close?
It closes at 5 every day.
And the garden opening hours?
The garden opens at 7.
Does it close at sunset?
No, it closes at 7 tonight.
That is easy to remember.
You have plenty of time.
Good. I can relax slowly.
Enjoy your visit and fresh air.
Thank you. I already feel happier.
Buying fresh fruit at a market.
Good morning. Looking for fresh fruit?
Yes, everything looks very nice.
These strawberries are fresh today.
Are they in season now?
Yes, they are very sweet now.
Great. I like sweet fruit.
We also have fresh peaches.
Which fruit is more popular?
Strawberries sell faster this week.
They smell wonderful, really fresh.
Would you like to taste one?
Yes, please. Thank you.
Here you are. Enjoy it.
Wow, it is very sweet.
I'm glad you like it.
How much are the strawberries?
They are $4 a box.
And the peaches?
They are $3 each.
Which is the better price?
The strawberries are better today.
I will take 2 boxes.
Excellent choice. Anything else today?
Maybe 2 peaches, please.
Certainly. That is $10.
Can I pay by card?
Yes, card payments are welcome.
Here you are. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Everything looks delicious today.
Enjoy your fruit. Have a lovely day.
Thanks. See you next weekend.
Ordering a meal with dietary preferences.
Welcome. Are you ready to order?
Yes, I have one question first.
Of course. Please ask anything.
I cannot eat dairy products.
No problem. We have many choices.
That is good. Thank you.
Do you also avoid eggs?
No, eggs are fine for me.
I recommend the chicken salad.
Does it have cheese?
Yes, we can remove the cheese.
Great. Please leave it out.
Would you like extra vegetables?
Yes, more tomatoes, please.
Certainly. Anything else to change?
No onions, please.
No onions. I understand.
Thank you. I really appreciate it.
Would you like some bread?
Is there butter with it?
Yes. Butter comes separately.
Then no butter, please.
Noted. Would you like a drink?
Just water, thank you.
Still or sparkling water?
Still water, please.
Let me confirm your order.
Yes, please check everything.
Chicken salad, no cheese, no onions, extra tomatoes, bread without butter, water.
Perfect. That is exactly right.
Your meal will be ready soon.
Thank you. I am looking forward to it.
Buying a phone charger. Hello, How can I help today?
I need a phone charger.
Which phone do you have?
I have a newer Android phone.
Does it use USB-C?
Yes, I think so.
Let me show you these chargers.
Which one works best?
This brand is very reliable.
It looks good. How much is it?
It costs $15 today.
And this other charger?
That one costs $10.
Why is it cheaper?
It charges a little slower.
I understand. Speed is important.
This faster charger is popular.
Does it include the cable?
Yes, the cable is included.
Great. That saves money.
Would you like this brand?
Yes, I will take it.
Excellent choice. Anything else today?
Does it have a warranty?
Yes, it has 1 year.
What does the warranty cover?
It covers factory problems only.
That sounds fair. Thank you.
Would you like a receipt?
Yes, please keep it inside.
Here is your charger and receipt.
Thanks. My phone can charge again.
Talking with the nurse before the examination.
Good morning. Please come this way.
Good morning. Thank you.
We will check your vital signs.
What happens first?
First, I will measure your blood pressure.
Okay. I feel a little worried.
That is completely normal. Please relax.
I will try. Thank you.
Now I will check your temperature.
Is everything okay?
Yes, your temperature is normal.
That is good. I am happy.
Next, I will check your pulse.
Do I need to move?
No, please stay comfortable.
Okay, I will stay still.
Your pulse looks normal too.
That is a relief.
Can you describe your symptoms?
I have a sore throat.
When did it begin?
About 3 days ago.
Do you have a cough?
Yes, a small cough sometimes.
Any fever or chills?
No, only a little tired.
Have you taken any medicine?
Yes, only simple pain medicine.
Thank you for your answers.
Will the doctor see me soon?
Yes, the doctor is almost ready.
Great, that makes me feel better.
Making a doctor's appointment.
Good morning. How can I help?
Hello. I need a doctor's appointment.
Of course. What is the problem?
I have a bad headache.
How long have you felt this?
About 2 days. It feels worse.
Do you have a fever?
No, only the headache.
Any other symptoms today?
Sometimes I feel very tired.
I understand. The doctor can help.
Thank you. I hope so.
We have appointments this afternoon.
What time is available?
2 o'clock or 4 o'clock?
4 o'clock, please.
That time is available.
Great. Thank you very much.
May I have your full name?
My name is Emma Carter.
Thank you. What is your phone number?
It is 555-284-7619.
Thank you. Can you confirm your address?
Yes, it is 18 Oak Street.
Perfect. Everything is correct.
Do I need anything else?
Please arrive 15 minutes early.
Should I bring my ID?
Yes, please bring your ID card.
I will. Thank you for everything.
You're welcome. See you at 4.
See you then. Have a nice day.
Preparing for the next workday. Are you ready for tomorrow?
Not really. I still have work.
Let's prepare everything tonight.
That sounds like a good idea.
First, pack your work bag.
Okay, I need my notebook.
Don't forget your phone charger.
I forget it sometimes.
Put your keys inside, too.
Now everything is together.
Great. What about your lunch?
I have not prepared it yet.
You can make a simple sandwich.
That is easy. I like sandwiches.
Add some fruit and water.
I will pack an apple too.
Excellent. Breakfast is important.
I usually skip breakfast.
Try making overnight oats tonight.
That will save time tomorrow.
Now choose your clothes.
I will wear my blue shirt.
Good choice. Is everything clean?
Yes, everything is ready.
What time will you wake up?
Around 6:30.
Start with a glass of water.
Then I will eat breakfast.
After that, leave by 7:30.
That routine feels much easier.
Small plans make busy mornings better.
Thanks. I feel ready for tomorrow.
Checking in to a hotel.
Good evening. Welcome to Riverside Hotel.
Hello? I have a reservation.
Certainly. May I have your name?
My name is Sarah Collins.
Thank you. Let me check.
Of course. I'll wait.
I found your reservation.
Great. That is good news.
You booked 2 nights, correct?
Yes, that is correct.
May I see your ID, please?
Here you are.
Thank you. Everything looks fine.
Do I need to sign anything?
Yes, please sign here.
Done. Thank you.
Your room is on the 3rd floor.
Does the hotel have a gym?
Yes, it opens at 6.
Great. Is breakfast included?
Yes, breakfast starts at 7.
Is there a swimming pool?
Yes, it is behind the garden.
Wonderful. I may swim tomorrow.
We also have free Wi-Fi.
What is the Wi-Fi password?
It is printed on your key card.
Oh, that is convenient.
Is there anything else today?
No, everything is perfect.
Enjoy your stay with us.
Thank you. Have a great evening.
Preparing for a day of sightseeing. Ready for tomorrow's sightseeing trip?
Almost. I need a plan first.
Which places would you like?
I want to visit the museum.
That is a great choice.
Then maybe the city park.
We can visit both places.
Great. That sounds exciting.
The museum opens at 10.
Should we go there first?
Yes, it will be quieter.
Good. I like peaceful mornings.
Now, let's pack your bag.
What should I bring?
Bring water and a snack.
Okay, I will pack both.
Don't forget your phone charger.
And my camera, too?
Yes, take your camera.
I almost forgot. Thanks.
Wear comfortable walking shoes tomorrow.
Good idea. We will walk a lot.
Also, bring a light jacket.
Will the weather be cool?
Yes, the morning may feel chilly.
Should I take an umbrella?
Yes, there might be light rain.
That is helpful. I am ready now.
Great. Tomorrow will be enjoyable.
Thank you. I can't wait to explore.
Borrowing a book from the library.
Welcome. Can I help you today?
Yes, I'm looking for a book.
What kind of book?
A simple English story, please.
We have many beginner books.
That sounds perfect. Thank you.
Follow me to this shelf.
There are so many books.
This section is very popular.
Which book do you recommend?
Try this short adventure story.
Is it easy to read?
Yes, The language is simple.
Great. I will borrow this one.
Do you have a library card?
No, I do not.
We can make one today.
Really? That is wonderful.
Please fill out this form.
What information do you need?
Your name, address, and phone number.
Okay, I can do that.
Please show your ID too.
Here it is.
Thank you. Your card is ready.
That was very quick. Thanks.
You may borrow 3 books.
How long can I keep them?
You have 2 weeks.
Can I renew them later?
Yes, if nobody is waiting.
Perfect. I'll start reading tonight.